Today we find ourselves on the cusp of a new exploration, one that dives into the interconnections between psychology and society. In our journey, we'll examine how psychological theories, socialization processes, and cultural contexts all intertwine to shape your concept of identity. This exploration is more than theoretical. It is an invitation to apply these concepts to your own life, to recognize how your identity has been formed and continues to evolve. The first element of your video response is part 1, applying psychological theories to identity formation. For the first segment, you will be spending 40 seconds applying a psychological theory, such as Erik Erikson's stages of psychosocial development, to dissect the process of identity formation. How do internal and external factors come together to shape our own sense of identity, or self? Reflect on how this theory relates to your own identity journey and how it has been influenced by both internal drives and external circumstances. Next is part 2, evaluating socialization processes. Here you'll turn to the world around you, evaluating how family, peers, education, and cultural norms influence identity development. Within 40 seconds, discuss the delicate balance between individual agency and the social factors that mold our identities. How have these socializing agents shaped who you are? How have you exerted your agency in the midst of these influences? Lastly is part 3, analyzing cultural and social context. In this final segment, you will unravel the complexities of cultural values, social norms, and historical context, and their influences on identity formation. Spend another 40 seconds examining how diverse cultural and social settings intersect and influence who you become. Consider your own experiences within various cultural landscapes and how they have shaped your identity. After recording your video response, you'll want to perform a self-evaluation process focused on personal reflection and growth. The culmination of this exploration is a reflective self-evaluation. Watch your recorded response with a critical eye, using the provided rubric to assess your understanding, presentation skills, and personal insights. Write a concise reflection of what you've learned, how you succeeded, and where you might improve. Remember, this evaluation is more than a grade. It's an opportunity for self-awareness and growth. Your honest and constructive assessment will be instrumental in your continued learning journey. In conclusion, this assignment is a window into the multifaceted world of identity where psychology meets society and theory meets personal experience. As you engage with these concepts, you're invited to reflect on your own identity journey, recognizing the forces that have shaped you and the agency you possess and continuing to evolve. Thank you, and may this exploration be both enlightening and empowering.